The ECM/PCM detects that the intake camshaft timing on bank 1 is more advanced than commanded, or the variable valve timing VVT system cannot correctly control camshaft timing. Common causes: dirty, low, or incorrect engine oil, stuck or faulty VVT oil control solenoid, blocked oil passages or sludge, damaged or corroded VVT solenoid wiring/connector, camshaft actuator/phaser problem, timing chain stretched or incorrectly timed, low oil pressure, ECM/PCM control circuit problem. Best diagnostic order. Step 1. Check engine oil level, condition, and correct viscosity. Step 2. Inspect the bank 1 VVT solenoid wiring and connector. Step 3. Test the VVT solenoid electrically according to the manufacturer's specification. Step 4. Command the VVT solenoid with a scan tool and monitor camshaft timing data. Step 5. Check for restricted oil passages and mechanical timing problems. Important: do not replace the VVT solenoid immediately without checking the engine oil first. Dirty or incorrect oil is a very common cause of P0011